Hey guys, if you're trying to play Roblox on your mobile but you're getting some kind of lag, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this. So the first thing you want to do is just head inside of a Roblox game and then click on the settings icon in the top left hand side. Then select settings and you need to scroll down until you see the graphic options, and you want to change the graphics mode from automatic to manual like so. And by far the most effective way to reduce the lag in Roblox is just to reduce the graphics quality. So what I'm going to do is move this all the way down to the minimum like so, and then you can head back over to your Roblox game to check if that's now fixed your issue. Now if you're still getting some kind of lagging issue, the next thing you want to do is just make sure you've closed down any background applications. So you can do this by dragging upwards on the bottom of the screen here, and then you just need to swipe across to close down any background applications like so. And once you've done that, you can then head over to the home screen on your phone, and then we're going to click on the settings icon. From here, select battery, and you want to make sure low power mode is turned off like so, and then you can close out of this window. Now another thing you want to do is make sure that you have sufficient battery charge on your phone. If you are trying to play a game with low power, then this is going to affect the performance as well and can cause lagging issues. So just make sure you've got at least 20% of battery health before trying to play Roblox, and then you can head back over to the Roblox game and check to see if that solved your issue. If you have tried all of these steps and it's still lagging, the last thing you can try doing is alternating between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now typically you want to make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi, as this is going to provide you the strongest connection. However, if you're lagging when on a Wi-Fi connection, you can try turning off your Wi-Fi and then connecting to your cellular data instead, and then you can head back over to the Roblox application, and that should have now solved any lagging issues you were getting. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.